We're about to step into the pulsating heart of the crypto universe, where every second counts and fortunes can change overnight. Stay tuned as we unfold the happenings of the crypto world. Starting with a historic move, the Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, has greenlit 11-spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds. This is no small feat, folks. This approval has opened the floodgates for institutional investors, and the crypto world is buzzing. Let's talk numbers. Trading volumes have skyrocketed, hitting a staggering $4.6 billion. That's right, billion with a B. But here's where things get interesting. The reaction of Bitcoin to this news has sparked debates across the crypto community. Some argue that the impact of the ETF approval was already priced into the market, hence a less than dramatic price movement. However, others have a different theory. They point to the role of whale sell-offs. These are large Bitcoin holders who might have sold off their holdings anticipating a drop after the ETF news. This, they argue, could have dampened the price surge that was expected following the ETF approval. But what does this mean for the average investor or the crypto enthusiast? Well, this approval could potentially lead to more mainstream adoption of Bitcoin, as it provides a more regulated and safer avenue for investing in Bitcoin. This could, in turn, increase demand and drive up the price, but, as always, the world of crypto is unpredictable. Will this be the game changer for Bitcoin? Only time will tell. In the meantime, all eyes are on the market, waiting to see the ripple effects of this historic decision. In another major development, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is showing its support for a spot Ethereum ETF. This is a significant move that could pave the way for institutional adoption of Ethereum, a cryptocurrency known for its smart contract capabilities and the second largest by market cap. BlackRock's backing is a clear indication of Ethereum's growing prominence in the financial landscape. As one of the most influential players in the global investment scene, BlackRock's endorsement could spur a wave of interest and investment in Ethereum, potentially driving its price upwards. But that's not all that's stirring excitement among Ethereum enthusiasts. Ethereum's pending applications for ETFs are also raising hopes for a bullish future. If approved, these ETFs could create a more accessible pathway for investors to dabble in Ethereum without the complexities of handling the cryptocurrency directly. Furthermore, the buzz around the potential bull flag pattern forming in Ethereum's price chart is adding to the anticipation. If this pattern plays out, it could signal a significant uptrend ahead. And with the Danoon testnet launch happening this Wednesday, all eyes are on Ethereum. So, could this be the push Ethereum needed for a breakthrough? Could we see it hit $3,000 soon? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, the future looks promising for Ethereum. We shall see. Moving on, stablecoin giant Circle files for an IPO amidst SEC scrutiny. This move is a bold one, considering the regulatory hurdles that crypto firms have recently faced. Circle, the issuer of the popular USDC stablecoin, is taking a leap into the unknown, charting a path that few in the crypto space have dared to tread. This planned IPO is not just a pivotal moment for the Circle, but it could be a game changer for the entire crypto industry. It's a clear indication that despite the regulatory challenges, crypto firms are ready to play ball in the traditional financial arena. And make no mistake, Circle's entry into the public market will be closely watched by other crypto firms contemplating similar moves. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The SEC's scrutiny of Circle's operations, particularly its USDC stablecoin, is a reminder of the regulatory hurdles that crypto firms face. The outcome of this scrutiny could have far-reaching implications, not just for Circle but for the broader crypto market. Will Circle's IPO be a success? That's the million-dollar, or should we say, the billion-dollar question. A successful IPO could open the floodgates for other crypto firms, signaling to the world that the crypto industry is ripe for investment. On the flip side, a failure could send shockwaves through the industry, causing investors to think twice before pouring money into crypto firms. Will this IPO set a new benchmark for crypto companies? Stay tuned. As we all know, inflation has been a hot topic recently. The Consumer Price Index, often referred to as the CPI, has been delivering some unexpected surprises. However, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, seems to be maintaining a cooler demeanor. These two figures are essential as they shape the Federal Reserve's next move, a move that could have significant implications for the world of crypto. Inflation is, in essence, the rate at which the average level of prices for goods and services is rising, and subsequently purchasing power is falling. It's an economic condition that central banks around the globe, including the Federal Reserve, aim to control. Their tool of choice? Interest rates. When inflation is high, central banks may raise interest rates to cool the economy down, and when inflation is low, they may cut rates to stimulate spending. So, what does this mean for crypto? Well, the relationship between inflation and crypto is still a developing story. Some argue that crypto, being decentralized and limited in supply, provides a hedge against inflation. It's a digital form of gold, if you will. However, others contend that crypto's volatility makes it a risky bet for inflation protection. In the end, it's a complex interplay of economics, technology, and human behavior. Will crypto be the hedge against inflation? The debate continues. As always, it's vital to stay informed, make educated decisions, and remember, the world of crypto can be as unpredictable as it is exciting. Now, let's take a look at the market. As we all know, the world of cryptocurrency is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. It's like a vast ocean with waves of buying and selling always ebbing and flowing. Currently, Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, is trading between $42,000 and $44,000. This indicates a potential choppiness in the market. Now, if you're a seasoned crypto trader, you know that sideways movement in Bitcoin could trigger an altcoin rally. Why, you ask? Well, when Bitcoin trades sideways, investors often look for opportunities elsewhere, turning their eyes to the promising world of altcoins. Speaking of altcoins, the Bitcoin dominance chart is showing an interesting pattern. Bitcoin dominance is a metric that traders use to measure the market cap of Bitcoin as a percentage of the total crypto market cap. A declining Bitcoin dominance often signals that altcoins are gaining ground. Now, this doesn't mean you should go all in on altcoins. As always, it's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. But it does mean there could be opportunities out there in the altcoin market that are worth exploring. So, what does all this mean? It means that, as always, the crypto market is full of potential. It's a wild ride. And for those who navigate it well, it can be a rewarding one. Keep an eye on these trends as they could shape the market's direction. To wrap up, here are the top performers of the week. The crypto market is ever-changing, but some currencies have clearly outshined the rest in the recent days. Let's take a closer look. First on our list is Ethereum Name Service, or ENS. ENS has been making waves as it expands its reach, becoming a vital component of the Ethereum ecosystem. Its price surge is reflective of its growing importance and adoption. Next, we have SUI, a lesser-known player that has been gaining traction. SUI's recent price movements have been impressive, making it a hot topic among crypto enthusiasts. Ethereum Classic, or ETC, is another top performer. Despite being overshadowed by its younger sibling, Ethereum, ETC has been holding its own, demonstrating resilience in a volatile market. Then, we have Bonk. Bonk might have a funny name, but its performance is no laughing matter. This crypto has seen a significant uptick in value, drawing attention from investors and traders alike. Last but not least, Helium's HNT token. With a unique proposition of decentralizing wireless networks, HNT has seen a steady climb, making it one of the top performers of the week. These are just a few of the cryptos that have been outperforming in the market. It's always intriguing to see how these digital assets perform and evolve in such a dynamic environment. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile, and investments should be made with careful consideration. Which one of these top performers caught your eye? And that's a wrap for this week's Cryptoquickbites. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the historic approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs to BlackRock's support of Ethereum. We've also delved into Circle's planned IPO and the persistent talk of inflation. In our market analysis, we explored the potential choppiness of Bitcoin and the possibility of an altcoin rally, and let's not forget our top performers of the week. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the crypto world. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized updates. Remember to stay crypto savvy, and I'll see you in the next update. Keep hodling and stay decentralized.